Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a second update of Chrome as I had predicted when there was the first update of Chrome. I said, there could be a second update. We're going to have to check for that. Well, second update came today. So if you go to your Chrome browser, upper right corner in the three vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome. It'll be moved to version 150.0.7871. 114, 115, depending on the operating system that you're using. Now, this one is the security updates, and there are actually 27 security updates. If we look at the Chrome releases, here we go. Stable channel update. So we have 27 security fixes, and of that, 2 are critical. Then we have several that are high, a lot actually that are high severity. So these are quite important to fix also. So a lot of security fixes, especially the critical ones, are important to report, and lots of V8 coming in all the time, a scripting engine and so on. So this is the security update officially. So the first one, they did say that they would have 2 updates a month that would be bug fixes and new features. So what we had yesterday was the bug fixes and the new features. And today, well, we're having the 27 security fixes that are important to apply. Of course, that also means that Chromium browsers today, later this week, will have updates that will fix these security flaws. It will be very important to apply them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.